What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Tacomaholic channel. Hope you're having a fantastic weekend. So yes, today I am finally going to clean my engine bay, which, as you can see, even though I've got my little awning deployed to give me some shade, which is sort of hiding the dirt, dirt pretty much everywhere under my hood from off-roading in a muddy area. There are a ton of different ways you can clean your engine, and I'm going to do videos for all of those, but today I'm going to do the most straightforward and the easiest and debatably the safest. So what I'm going to be doing today is, I guess, like a dry clean. For those of you who are paranoid about, putting a hose on your engine and what you should cover, should you take the battery off, all that stuff, you don't have to worry about any of this with this video showing you how to clean it with just a few basic things. And everything I'll be using today, starting off with some gloves just to keep my hands clean, regular paper towels, followed by the Tubbo towels. These come in all different quantities. I went ahead and got one of 90. I think it's like 15 bucks. These are awesome to use. Followed by the Meguiar's Ultimate Black Plastic Restore with a regular microfiber towel. That's all you need to do the cleaning just like I'm getting ready to do. And as usual, links to all this stuff down in the description below. For the first step, just because I do have so much dirt just sort of sitting on all the large plastic surfaces, I am just going to be taking paper towels. I'm going to wet them down just a little bit and just wipe over all the big surfaces, just so when I use the cleaning wipes next, they have a lot less dirt to dig through. Okay, so just about a minute and a half for 3 paper towels, completely filthy front and back. And let's just see if you can tell a quick comparison. And here's some before shots. And here is the after, just from using the wet paper towel. Alright, I already see progress. And the next step is where all the actual cleaning will take place. For this specific video, I will be using the Tubbo towels. They have all different quantities. I went ahead and got a 90 pack because my engine's pretty filthy, so I'll probably use about 20 to 30 of these, I'm guessing. So these are pre-treated with a cleaning solution. It says durable fiber weave. They're 10 inches by 12 inches large. Industrial strength, safe for auto, home, project, and even your hands. I just got the gloves on so I don't get all this crap under my fingernails and all that. So tons more information on this on the back. It's got everything you can, it's good for grease, oil, tar, dead bugs, bird poop, all that kind of stuff. So I am literally going to be wiping down just about everything in my engine bay. I'm not going to touch the underside of my hood because I'm actually going to spray that off in a separate video. So what I'm going to do with the Tubbo towels, I'm just going to start on the right side and just go around and move all the way over to the passenger side. Alright everybody, and here it is, probably about 30 to 40 minutes later, and about 30 of the Tubbo towels used. I think it looks pretty good just for the cleaning phase. Now again, are there better ways to clean your engine? Of course. This is just like a quick, non-wet version if you're paranoid about spraying down your engine bay. So, and this isn't even like super detailed. Like if I got a toothbrush, I could get in here and get all this stuff. So this is really just getting all the big surface, but if you can see the from before and after, I think it looks pretty good so far, and we are not done yet. Next up, we are going to take that Meguiar's Ultimate Black Plastic Trim and Rubber Restore and hit all the big surfaces with that. Now time to really make the clean parts pop with the Meguiar's Ultimate Black Plastic Restore. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this on the microfiber towel. I do plan on throwing this away afterwards because even though I did clean everything, obviously there's still some dirt in there since I didn't do a full detail, but you will notice the rag will start to get dirty. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to make like a blob right here in the center. Not enough so it's going to spill over, obviously, of the Meguiar's Ultimate Black. and just sort of dab it with my microfiber towel and go around and hit all the plastic pieces and the rubber hoses. Give it that nice finishing touch. And here's a few after shots once it's all said and done. Alright everyone, that will do it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and please comment below if you plan on doing something similar with these products. I'd love to see how your reaction is with them and what you think. If this is your first time stopping by, please consider subscribing and help me grow the channel by sharing it with your friends and family on social media. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I will see you in the next video.